Sakura, the beauty and symbolism of cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms, known as sakura in Japanese, hold a special place in the hearts of people around the world. These delicate flowers symbolize ephemeral beauty, renewal, and the fleeting nature of life. Originating from Japan, the sakura has captivated people for centuries with its stunning displays and rich cultural significance. In this comprehensive exploration, we delve into the history, cultural significance, symbolism, and scientific aspects of cherry blossoms, providing readers with a deep understanding of these iconic flowers. 1. Introduction. Brief overview of cherry blossoms and their global appeal. Preview of key topics covered in the essay. 2. History of sakura. Origins of cherry blossoms in Japan. Evolution of cherry blossom cultivation and appreciation. Role of cherry blossoms in Japanese literature, art, and culture. 3. Cultural significance. Symbolism of cherry blossoms in Japanese culture. Cherry blossom festivals and traditions. Influence of cherry blossoms on global culture and art. 4. Symbolism and meanings. Ephemeral beauty and the transient nature of life. Renewal, hope, and new beginnings. Cultural interpretations of cherry blossoms in different societies. 5. Varieties of cherry blossoms. Overview of different species and varieties of cherry blossoms. Characteristics, bloom times, and geographical distribution. Popular cherry blossom cultivars and hybrids. 6. Scientific aspects. Botanical characteristics and taxonomy of cherry blossoms. Environmental factors influencing cherry blossom blooming. Research on cherry blossom genetics, breeding, and conservation. 7. Sakura viewing and festivals. Tradition of hanami, cherry blossom viewing, in Japan. Cherry blossom festivals around the world. Tips for enjoying cherry blossoms and planning a hanami outing. 8. Cherry blossoms in art and literature. Representation of cherry blossoms in Japanese art and literature. Influence of cherry blossoms on Western art and literature. Contemporary interpretations of cherry blossoms in visual arts and media. 9. Economic and tourism impact. Economic significance of cherry blossoms in Japan and other countries. Tourism impact of cherry blossom season on local economies. Marketing and promotion of cherry blossom destinations. 10. Conservation and preservation. Challenges facing cherry blossom conservation. Efforts to preserve cherry blossom trees and habitats. Role of botanical gardens, arboretums, and conservation organizations. 11. Conclusion. Recap of key points and insights. Reflection on the enduring appeal and significance of cherry blossoms. Call to appreciate and preserve the beauty of cherry blossoms for future generations. 12. References. Citations for sources and references used in the essay. In this comprehensive essay, we have explored the multifaceted world of cherry blossoms, from their historical origins in Japan to their cultural significance, symbolism, scientific aspects, and contemporary relevance. By delving into the rich tapestry of cherry blossom lore and knowledge, we gain a deeper appreciation for these exquisite flowers and the profound impact they have on people's lives around the world.